What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to a TV in order to project what's on your iPhone screen to this TV. First, you need to know that in order to do so, you'll have to have either an Apple TV or an AirPlay certified TV. And you need to have the device, your iPhone, and the Apple TV or the AirPlay certified TV connected to the same network. You can do so for photos and videos. So here, for example, I have a photo that I want to share to my TV. If I tap on it, hit share, that's on the bottom left corner here, and I'll scroll down, you'll find here the AirPlay option. If I tap on it, here it tells me that it's unavailable because I don't have any AirPlay certified devices around me. But if you do have one and they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone, it should work and it will project what's on your iPhone screen to this TV.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.